Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add Stripe to Shopify, even if you live in a country where Stripe is not supported. Now, all you need to do, guys, you want to log in into your own Shopify store so that I can show you guys how you can add a Stripe account so that you can start receiving payments. Now, what you guys need to do, you want to click here on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click where it says payments. Now see if you can click on choose a provider and then search for Stripe. Okay, if it says under Stripe, it says unavailable like this, I'm going to change this store to my store, to this store. I'm going to do the exact same steps, which I'm going to go to payments and I'm going to click on choose provider, and I'm going to search now for Stripe. As you can see, when I searched for Stripe, it says under Stripe, it says unavailable in your country, because my country is Morocco, and Morocco doesn't, like Stripe doesn't support Morocco. So what I'm going to do in this case, which this is not an easy thing, of course, it's not easy to add Stripe to your account if you don't live in a country where Stripe is supported. But I'm going to be showing you a solution which a lot of people use, including me. Alright, now what you guys need to do, you want to click on general and you want to click on business address, as you can see. Then you want to click on France. Okay, select France as a country, and then here the address, it doesn't really matter. Click on save. Alright, now after that you want to go back, click payments, and then click on choose a provider. Now I want to search for Stripe, and as you can see, Stripe is now supported. It doesn't show that error that says unavailable in your country. Now you want to click on Stripe, and you want to click here, you want to create an account on Stripe. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to create an account. Now I'm going to create an account, and I'm going to secure my account with a mobile phone number. I'm going to add this random phone number. Click send text. Alright, now you just need to check the messages so that you can see like the code. I'm going to do right now. I'm going to resend the code. Alright, this is the verification code. Now I'm going to enter it right now. Alright, now this is the verification code. Click on download codes. Okay, make sure you download this code. Now click on continue. As you can see, it says Shopify partners with Stripe for secure financial services. Now what you guys need to do, the next step is going to select business location. It's not your own location, it's a business location. For example, if you live in Africa, you will not find your country here. That's why I told you guys to change the country at the beginning. Now the type of business, now I'm going to select France. Okay, you can either select France or United States. Okay, now what you guys need to do, you want to click on continue. After guys you click on continue, what you need to do guys next is to enter here your legal name. Of course you have to enter your legal name. Okay, so enter your legal name and the home address, and as you can see it says here France. And this is the big problem. This is what a lot of people struggle with. Okay, a lot of people stuck in here, but it's very easy. Of course you will have to pay some money, but it's easy process. It's not that hard. Now you will enter your real date of birth. You will enter here your real email address, your first legal name. But here the home address, you don't have the France street address. Okay, you don't know these information. You don't have a French number. Okay, Now, how you can get this information? You want to create an LLC in France, okay? LLC in France, it's like you will create a company in France so that you can use that company to create Stripe, to create Shopify payments, to create, like you can do a lot of multiple things with the LLC in France. I'm sorry. Now, as you can see, limited liability company in France, how to register your company in France in 14 steps. You will find a bunch of websites that will show you guys how you can start a business or a LLC in France. Okay, now what I suggest, if you can't find a cheap, if you can find a cheap website that will help you create LLC in France, what you guys need to do instead, you want to change the country to United States. You want to go back and you want to change the country to United States. Click again on Stripe and change it to United States. Okay, so that's exactly what you guys need to do to find. As you can see, it says here France, go back and change it to United States. Now that's in case you can't find a website that will help you create LLC in France. I have created LLC in United States, which is very easy. So it's the same way, just click on create LLC in United States. And then you will find a lot of websites that will help you do that, but you will have to pay money. Okay, now here it will say what country, select it. I'm sorry, the state. So you can get started. After this, for example, let's say select, for example, California, and then click on get started. And then you will enter your business name, and then you will help you create LLC in California, and then you can start using Stripe without any problem. So that's exactly, guys, what you need. Okay, if you can't find like a company that will help you create Stripe in France, create LLC in France, you can then change the country to United States, and then get this information, which is the address and the phone number. They will be provided by the company that will help you create LLC in France or in United States. So that's exactly what a lot of YouTubers don't tell you guys, because most of the time, a lot of people that will go to Shopify, that will do Shopify dropshipping, they will face this problem, and that's why they don't show you that. They just show you how to create Stripe. That's it. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. So keep in mind, you will have to pay, I would say, $100 per year so that you can have LLC in another country. So if you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video. See you guys in the next one.